Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about this accordions. We already created an accordion component where we can expand and collapse and we can reveal the content inside this accordion. But today what we're going to do, we're going to create another accordion. I will try to restore the states, like if one accordion is expanded, then they should be like another accordion should be collapsed. So it would be single expandable accordions, and we'll try to pass a prop so that we can handle this particular you know this particular behavior of these accordion groups. So today what we're gonna do is uh, we're gonna create another component inside this file only. So we'll say export uh, accordion group, export const accordion group equals to this, and then it like this. Okay. And we'll also export this, and will be default export. So far, and I'm gonna use it here in this app project. So next to this exit accordion, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just create a wrapper and I'll include it. Let's create this wrapper function. This will basically type accordion. So I'll copy this whole content and then I'll paste. I'll see some. Before that, I'll exit. Okay, accordion. So I'll add the same right here. I have two varieties. One close column here. I'm gonna paste it. Since we are not exporting any default component from the particular file, so we have to actually, without the name, we have to use curly braces so that it can come as a part of this components. So we have two type of things. One is I can add a separate. So let me add a separator with class name equals to, okay. So now we have this single accordion and there is multiple accordion where we have space between these two and only is rectable. So let's try to that. First, I'll go to this accordion group. So currently what we are doing, we are managing the state within the accordion file, within the accordion component like this. So we can remove this. Instead, we can pass it as a prop and like this. And do it. And I'll also remove this on click functionality. So what we have this accordion. Of this, I think we should create this uh, accordion props, and then I can paste it. So we have interface, and I can use it in accordion. So in accordion, it would be like this. It would be like this. I can remove this. Okay, so we have. I should use it. These are the properties. Okay, I have this accordion where we have title as a prop, children as a children, and is open is would be another prop. So now we find some errors, but we'll see is wrong. But for now, what we're going to do is after this is open, I'm gonna say handle toggle after toggle. No, say handle toggle. Okay, so this is gonna be another function. So it will accept variable is open as boolean return. I'll make this is and handle uh, be optional. I've added this question mark over here. So these would be optional, and once user click on this, I'll just call this handle toggle with the opposite value of current is open. I'll check if this handle toggle is there. So if it's provided uh, this value, then it will work. Now we have this functional component without any state dependency. Now try to use it here. So what I'm gonna let's say when there is a coordinate, then there would be more than one children. So it would be children. Okay, and then I'll use this as children tab children prop and like this. And I'm gonna return this child dot props. I'm gonna copy this. Uh, let's say that dot clone element, and then I'll pass child with some prop. So what would these props do? Definitely, and then is open and open, nothing else. So this child would be, I would say, instead of no, I'll pass it as. Okay, this child would be React determinant Accordion props. Yes. So we have is open here. I'll explain this particular function. Let me write it first. So is open would be true if the index. Okay, before that, let me let's equal current index and current index set current index. Okay, we have if the index is equal this current index, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. For this handle toggle, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna handle this as this would be false. So if current index equals to index, then uh, current index would be -1. What we need to do is once user click on it, and we have this handle toggle with this particular value is open, and it will have this is open value as boolean, and then what we'll be doing if it is open but set is equals to this, otherwise set equals minus 1. Great. So let's explore how we have this. It is expanded. If we have it is collapsed. If I want to collapse it, I can collapse it. I can expand it. So I'll explain what I did. Basically, I cloned the children, whatever children this accordion group. Okay, so based on I created through children.map, and then I cloned it with some extra properties. So I passed the key. Definitely, key is required for the React. I pass is open as if index equals to current index. Like whatever index user clicked on it, then it will be open. If the index is not the current index, then it will be closed. And then I handle it open. We already know that it is open gonna be here when user basically click on it. So here it is handle open. This will provide the opposite value of whatever the result is. So once we have this, so we're gonna pass the current index equals to the index, whatever index user clicked on it, and this will basically trigger this state, and this will reiterated, and then is open would be true for a particular element, otherwise pass set current index equals to -1. So for other for other components, it will pass as -1 and they will be collapsed automatically. So it's just like we are triggering this state so that this children.map can be re-rendered, and this will basically result in providing the true value to the accordion, whatever we clicked on it. So this is how we are doing that. So what we can do if we are just using this single element, okay. So for single element, definitely we have to now use this accordion group because we are managing this state. Okay, we have this accordion group and this group. Why this section is showing? Section has no closing tag. Save. So we have this accordion, and we don't have this. Okay, great. So even for this single component, we have to use this accordion group, but it's showing some errors. Why it's showing? Because it is expecting that we would be having more than one children there. So to prevent this, what we can do, we can say either children would be a single element or it would be as an M. Now it should work fine. Now it is working fine. I can click on it. I can create as many as accordion as I can. So what I'll do, I'll create this and I'll create multiple accordion. It's just like I have to create multiple accordion group as well. So these are separate. They don't have to do anything with each other, but we have this as a group. So now they are like this. So we have to, only one can be expanded at a time. Another would be collapsed automatically. And this animation, gives a great experience to this particular accordion group, definitely. So I think that is it for accordion groups. Uh, Thank you so much for watching. Uh, I think tomorrow what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a drop down component where we'll be seeing like what are the differences. So in today's video, we learn different things. We can clone the React element by just using react.clone element. We can change these properties. We can wrap something in a group. So maybe in the future when we'll create, and definitely you can try it at your side, and whatever problem you are facing, you can just comment it out. So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe and just watch and learn. Thank you.